What's up everybody, this is Peter here. In today's video, you'll learn how to turn your passion into your business and at the same time enjoy the whole process. Of course, the end goal is to make money from your passion and create a thriving business. I want to talk about why it's essential to build your business around your passion. It is much easier to manage a business that you are passionate about. Yes, there are online revenue models that can lead to great financial gain. But if you are only after the money, it will be harder for you to achieve financial relief. If your business does not revolve around products, services, and topics you are passionate about, not only will you not be able to sustain your interest in them and have a hard time learning about them, but promoting them will also become impersonal. People will be able to sense the insincerity, and if nobody wants to follow you or be part of your list, sooner or later you will just decide to give up. Building your business based on your interest has its advantages. If you are passionate and interested in what you are doing, then you are more likely to stay motivated and interested in the work that you are doing. This is what will make you get up in the morning and be ready to work. To ensure the success of your business, you need to be able to enjoy the process, regardless of whether you are seeing progress or not. Of course, nobody wishes for the business to fail, but in the event that it does, you will have enjoyed yourself and gained experience from which you can learn. Should you want to try again? So, figure out what really interests you and what you are truly passionate about, and then choose which revenue model is suitable. Knowing what it is that gets you going in the morning is what will truly make earning money from your chosen online business easier. You might think, I don't know what my passion is. I'm sure there are things you are passionate about, and you can learn to take that to the next level. Let's say you have a great idea, but you don't know how to turn that into a business. Then you should analyze successful people who've started that type of business to help you get up to speed quickly. Connect with like-minded people, speak with them. Then use your network. Learn all the strategies, tips and tricks to make that business idea into a reality. Once you have the expertise and some motivation, you can turn that passion into a thriving business. I'm quite good at IT and marketing related stuff. That's why I am teaching people how to start and grow an online business through done-for-you services, support and review, both the marketing and tech part. I love building online businesses, engaging in personal development and challenging myself. And what about you? What is your passion and how did you turn it into a business? Let me know your opinion. I have a complete training called 7-Day Business Challenge. It includes guides, videos and checklists on how to build a whole online business, no matter what type of business you want to start. Click the link below to start my 7-Day Business Challenge. Whenever something is not clear, I'm more than happy to help you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. And I see you next time.